It's my July Stitch Fix. So if you want to see what they sent me, keep on watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea. I love clothes and subscription unboxings and shopping hauls and try-ons and all that fun fashion stuff. If you do too, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll find out when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up like and leave a comment. All those things that make YouTube like me better. All right, so Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. They do men, women, and children. You can set how frequently you get your boxes. You can also go on their site and just buy right off their site called Freestyle. A box is $20 and they will credit that back to any purchase you make. If you don't buy anything, then you would lose that $20. Unless you have the Style Pass, which is a yearly fee of $49 that they will credit back to a purchase, and then you get as many boxes as you want. And I am set for 2 to 3 boxes. And let's see, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I'll go ahead and leave a link below, and that'll give you at least $25 off. I'll get credit too. Let's see, they send you, shipping is free both ways. They send you an envelope and you can just take it to the post office, or in my case, I just have them pick it up. Let's see, what else? You get a dedicated stylist. My stylist name is Marsha. She watches my videos. She's awesome. She gives me great fixes, sometimes too awesome for my budget. And let's see, you get a price list, which I do not look at until the very end because I just want to have my natural reaction to the clothes. You get a note from your stylist and style cards with suggestions on how to wear the items. And I got shoes and a little bitty bundle. Got some polka dots, some stripes, some hot pink, and some navy blue. I apologize for looking disheveled. I actually just got back from a bike ride, so I've got a helmet head. And I also did a try on earlier today. Let's see, something else. If you keep all 5 items, you will get a 25% discount. And oh, you get a preview. They will send you a preview of 10 items and you can choose up to 5. If you choose less than 5, then your stylist will fill it in to make it 5. And I can't remember what I picked. I want to say maybe I picked that polka dot item. But it's funny because it's always a surprise because I can almost never remember what I picked. I did ask for some shoes. I said that, and these are super cute. And oh my God, you guys, aren't those cute? Navy. I actually really need a pair of navy shoes. I have bought, let's see, 3 new pairs of sandals, a pair of heels, and at Nordstrom anniversary sale, I got 2 pairs of booties. So I need another pair of shoes. Like I need a hole in the head, but those are super cute. I did ask her for like some cute wedges, and these are, I don't have anything navy in my closet, shockingly. One of these days I'm gonna do a YouTube short and give you a tour of my closet. The shoes go on forever. All right, the noisy part. All right, what do we have? On top, we have something navy. This is, it's like a puffy sleeved t-shirt. Nice weight. It is the Violets and Roses Test Tulip Sleeve Knit Top in navy. Is it, oh yeah, it is a tulip sleeve. Can you see that? So that's a nice little detail. Rounded neck, straight hem. Yeah, that's definitely something I could use. All right, next up we have this striped it looks like a cowl neck, and then strappy in the back, sleeveless, little boxy looking. We'll see how that looks. And then we have, I think this is something I chose. This is let's see, who made this? I'm not telling you. 9 Britain. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it is the Iad cowl neck back detail knit top. And then this is Daniel Rain, who is always a little on the pricey side. Abrian split neck cap sleeve linen blend knit top. And it's in this navy and white polka dot, and then in the back it is striped. And it is a mixed material. It's like a stretchy in the back, and it's not very different, not like some of them are. That's cute, I like that. And then last up, I think I might have chosen this too. This is a tribal Colma pull-on skirt in dark pink. Now I'm wondering why I would have chosen this, because I recently got rid of a skirt in this very color. I'm really crushing on this color, that's probably why. All right, so before we get started with the try-on, I'm not gonna do an outfit of the day because I didn't change out of my leggings after my bike ride, and it was the same outfit from my Nordstrom anniversary sale. So video, if you've seen that, you already saw my outfit of the day. Before we get started, I do want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. That means so much to me. It means so much to me when you subscribe and comment and like and all those things that support my channel. I'm really trying to grow it, and I appreciate the support that you give me. All right, let's try on some clothes. So this is going to be a quick try on because I've got 3 of the items on right now. We'll talk about the top, the skirt, and the shoes. I think this goes pretty well together. However, I only really like one item. And I'm going to come up and read my stylist note. We'll start with that. Sorry, don't want you to be crooked. All right. Hello, Andrea. I love the pink skirt from Tribal that you chose from the Fix preview this month. I know that you will have fun styling it with cute tops. Try it with a simple white tee and sneakers for a casual look. Since you asked for elevated tees with some interesting details, I added the navy knit top from Violets and Roses. The tulip sleeves add a fun detail. Try it with white jeans or shorts. I also found some really cute wedge sandals from 41 Hawthorn based on your request. Try them with your navy dress from Kaylee from the March Fix, or even with the cute knit tank from 9 Britain that I added. I thought it looked like a top that you could love. Try it with white jeans or navy shorts. I will be watching your try-on, and I hope that these all find a place in your closet. Enjoy, Marcia. All right, so I thought I was gonna love this t-shirt because I do love a detail like tulip sleeves. But the placement of these is really weird, and it looks almost like a cape or like wings, and I don't like that. I just don't like the way, you know, if they had done, like typically they will do a tulip and this, you know, lap where it laps over, or seam, whatever you want to call it, is usually right in the middle. This forward on the shoulder, in my opinion, does not work. It's a very quality t-shirt. I don't love the crew neck, but if these had been good, I probably would have kept it. But I just don't like the placement of that. All right, next, let's talk about this skirt. It's cute, but it really is so much like the one I just got rid of. And the reason I got rid of that one, and I'd gotten it on clearance from Macy's, is it just kind of had this funny roll here. But it may have been that I just didn't love it on because I don't love this on. Yeah, I feel like it accentuates my tummy. I mean, it fits fine, stretchy, got pockets, but I just don't love it. And let me take you in so we can take a close look at these shoes, which are super cute. So these are the Wedge Sandals. They've got like that little, it's not a crisscross, it's just a, you know, the way that they're lined up. So that's cute. And then they're just a nice, comfortable wedge. They look really nice. They're comfortable, they have some nice cushion. So, and I surprisingly do not have navy wedges like this. So I think these, unless they're just crazy priced, will be keepers. All right, let's keep going. Next we have this really cute top from Daniel Rain. Like this a lot, love this. So it's got the rounded hem, you could do a front tuck. I think it would look really cute with white jeans, but I was lazy and here comes Sophie. Hi Sophie! Hi Sophie! Even though she just goes out for a walk, she's always so happy to see me. Yeah, good girl, good girl. It has the split neck, cap sleeves. I would prefer if the back was polka dot, just like the front. I'm not quite sure why they would do that, but it's comfortable, it's a nice linen, cool linen blend. So I think this one is probably gonna be a keeper. Hopefully it won't be too expensive. All right, we have one more top to try on. This hair. Okay, last top. This is that cowl neck top, and this is a definite no. I always kind of struggle with cowls to get them to lay nice. I think this is laying okay. It is quite low though. So like, yeah, if I bent over, I would have to be concerned. Also, you can see my bra on this side at least. And if it, adjusts, you might be able to see my bra there. So, I mean, the main thing is it's also just kind of shapeless. These are too big, especially on this side. For some reason, it always seems to be this side. Yeah. Anyway, and then if I bent over, everybody would be able to see everything that I have, and I don't want to do that. Now it's time for prices and a recap. I'll tell you what, between the bike ride and trying on clothes all day, your girl is hot. Let's talk about prices. So I think this was a good box, had some good potential, and I feel really clear about what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. So first up we have the Violets and Roses Test Tulip Sleeve Knit Top in navy. This is only $38, which is a fantastic price. This is like a really nice weight of material. I'm looking to see what it's made of. 93% rayon, 7% spandex. And I would have kept it if those sleeves hadn't been so weird, but they were, and so that's gone back. Next up we have the 41 Hawthorn Jude Wedge Slide Sandal in navy. These are $64. Those are cute, they fill a need. I'm gonna keep those. Then we have the Tribal Colma Pull-On Skirt in dark pink. This is $54, and I love the color. I just didn't love it on. There was nothing terrible about it, but when I looked at it, I just was like, no, I don't think so. All right, next up we have the Daniel Rain Abrian Split Neck Cap Sleeve Top in, they're saying white. It says polka dot, and this is $54, which is pretty standard for Daniel Rain. It's linen, I think it's a linen blend, and it's nice and cool. Yep, it says linen blend, Stitch Fix exclusive, and I can't find the material. Here we go. 55% linen, 45% polyester. Contrast is 70 rayon and 30 linen. So I really like this a lot. I'm gonna definitely keep that. I feel like, Daniel Rain is pricey, but I think that's a really nice top. So that is definitely a keeper. And then last we have the 9 Britain IAD cowl neck back detail knit top in white. And it's actually this black and white striped. This is only $38, but I already told you why I didn't like it, and I'm not gonna keep it. It's very soft. It is very soft. So, I'm gonna keep 2 things, the sandals and the Daniel Rain top. Feeling good and confident about that. It's a good box. It's, like I said, it has some good potential. And we can't always have 5 for 5s, can we? We need to not always have 5 for 5s. So, leave me a comment Let me know if you agree with my keepers and if you thought I should have given anything else more consideration. I hope that if you like this video, you'll give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. No cost to you, it's totally free. And thank you again for spending part of your day with me. And until next time, fashion friends, dress like you mean it.